English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C2. Corresponding, boast, justification. Corresponding. Corresponding is an adjective. C2 learners usually know corresponding. At C2, corresponding means similar or related. Here are some examples. Click on the link to go to the corresponding page. More products were sold in the corresponding period last year. As the course progressed, there was a corresponding drop in attendance. Boast. Boast is a verb. C2 learners usually know boast. At C2, to boast is to have something to be proud of. Here are some examples. The park boasts a bandstand and a boating lake. London boasts a great variety of tourist attractions. In future, the hospital will be able to boast the best facilities in the country. Justification. Justification is a noun. C2 learners usually know justification. A justification is a good reason or explanation for something. Here are some examples. There is no justification for hitting children. This claim is made without substance or justification. Provide supporting evidence and justification to support your viewpoint. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with corresponding, boast and justification. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.